In this video, we will be creating our first animation since we already have talked about the interface of Scratch and the different types of blocks that we see. Um, this is the sprite which I'm going to use for this purpose, and let's start with adding a backdrop first. Here you can take any backdrop. I've taken this backdrop. I'm moving the sprite to place in the sand. Now, moving on to the first event, because your game is going to start, or sorry, your animation is going to start based on some event. So, I'm going to use this when flag clicked event. Let me zoom it in. First, I want this sprite to move some steps. So, moving some steps means this stage from the left side to the right side is basically about 480 steps. I'm making it move 10 steps, which is very small. You might not even notice it during the play. Now I'm going to add some lines since it will be introducing itself. It's going to say hi, and then I'm going to connect the same say block and say my name is I am Scratchy. Let's run and see how does it play. Now here, if you have noticed, the two say blocks which I used, so two bubbles were created here, and both the bubbles came in continuously. In case you want to add a lag between both the bubbles, what you can do is you can simply go to control and add a wait between the two blocks. Now remember, in Scratch, the blocks, they go in sequence. So whatever sequence you are connecting them in, they will run in that order only. So that is why I'm adding this wait between the say, both the say blocks. So let's see how does it affect our gameplay now. If you noticed, it has created some lag between both the bubbles, which is what we wanted. This is a very basic animation that we have created. In our coming up videos, we will be learning about more complex animations. Hope you liked it.